Deciding on the type of foundation for a building involves assessing the soil characteristics and environmental conditions at the site. Here's a general process to guide you. Soil testing. Conduct a geotechnical investigation to determine soil properties such as soil type, bearing capacity, and moisture content. This involves drilling boreholes and analyzing soil samples. Soil classification. Classify the soil based on its type, clay, silt, sand, gravel, etc., and its engineering properties. Soil classification affects load-bearing capacity and settlement behavior. Bearing capacity. Assess the soil's load-bearing capacity, which indicates how much weight the soil can support without undergoing excessive settlement. Settlement analysis. Evaluate potential settlement issues, especially for clay soils, which can undergo significant compression over time. Water table. Determine the depth of the groundwater table, as high water levels can affect foundation stability and construction methods. Load requirements. Consider the load requirements of the building, including both the dead load, weight of the structure, and live load, weight of occupants, furniture, etc. Foundation types. Shallow foundations, used for soil with good bearing capacity and minimal settlement issues. Examples include spread footings, strip footings, and mat foundations. Deep foundations, used when surface soils are weak or when the load is very high. Examples include piles and caissons, which transfer loads to deeper, more stable soil or rock layers. Environmental conditions. Consider other factors like seismic activity, frost lines, and potential for soil erosion or expansion. Consult with a structural engineer or geotechnical expert to make a well-informed decision based on these factors.